Hey guys, today I want to share a secret recipe for my 18-pounder miniature poodle, and she loved this recipe. So basically, I'm using the Cesar classic meatloaf mixing with dry dog food. That's add a flavor to the dry dog food and also balance the meat and other healthy weight. This is great. So I just using 1 spoon of a Cesar classic meatloaf. And she loves this classic meatloaf. Like when I'm mixing it, he's still licking the forks, not missing every single one. So I just mixing carefully together with the dry food and the Caesar's classic meatloaf. Just grind it. Oh, this is the first time she's on camera. My dog is a little bit shy, but she still enjoy eating it. You can see she's standing on the kitchen table, but she's still eating it. Every single piece, every single dry dog food and the Caesar meatloaf. She's searching it. She still found one more, and she loves this one. This is a vote for my dog. She will give a 5-star for Cesar classic meatloaf. And that's my review. That's a secret recipe for my 18-pounder miniature poodle. She enjoyed it. I hope you like this review. Thank you.